The finest family dentistry services in Canandaigua, New York are at Lakeshore Family and Cosmetic Dentistry. Dr. Sandro Popelka is one of the most well-respected oral surgeons and dental experts in the Rochester area. His dental practice in Canandaigua specializes in invisible braces, sedation dentistry, and dental implants. His friendly dental office offers a welcoming, relaxed atmosphere to help make patients feel comfortable when they go in for dental treatments. Lakeshore Family and Cosmetic Dentistry also offers the finest early dental care treatments, cosmetic procedures, emergency surgeries, sleep apnea treatment, and endodontics around. Appointments can be booked 6 days a week at Lakeshore Family and Cosmetic Dentistry in Canandaigua. Request an appointment with Dr. Popelka and see how he can help you achieve a perfect smile. 585-337-9502.